Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the circuit, lock out and tag the breaker, then confirm 0 volts with a reliable meter. Once done, open the contactor enclosure and remove only the cover screws needed to access the auxiliary block. Make sure to document or photograph the existing wiring layout. This preserves terminal order and prevents mistakes later. Next, loosen the terminal screws slowly while supporting the conductors so wires don't spring back. Keep all small parts in a labeled tray for reassembly. With wires labeled, detach signal and control conductors one at a time to avoid swapping leads. Now focus on the mechanical retention. Depending on model, either unclip the snap-fit auxiliary module or remove the retaining screw that secures it to the primary contactor body. Be deliberate. Some clips feel brittle with age. As you separate components, inspect the mating surfaces, coil pins, and contact faces for corrosion or pitting, because this will influence whether you clean, repair, or replace the auxiliary block. Once the auxiliary block is free, lift it straight out to avoid bending pins and place all fasteners in your labeled container. Before reassembly, bench test continuity of the coil and each contact path using your meter to confirm expected behavior. If you find intermittent contacts or high resistance, clean or replace the module rather than risk a field failure. Finally, when reinstalling, reverse the steps and remove lockout only after verifying correct wiring and operation. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.